What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 3 of the M4 build series. As you guys can see behind me, the kit that the client decided to go with is the full ADRO body kit. This kit consists of a full replacement front bumper, front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, and a swan neck wing. If this is your guys' first time seeing the kit, we're gonna go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what the kit consists of. So right now we're gonna go ahead and start off with the front portion. As you guys can see, it is a full replacement front bumper, meaning you will need to take off your stock front bumper and replace it with ADRO's front bumper. And you can also add the lip to it just to give the full total package in the front end. When ADRO released this kit for the G82 platform, I was super excited because I know that this was the facelift that the G82 platform needed. So yeah, guys, this is what the front end consists of. 2 pieces, and I think it looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by moving to the side skirts. As you guys can see, not like the front end, this isn't a replacement, but these actually sit underneath of your existing stock side skirt. So meaning you would need to just install these simply like this. It's pretty simple, not too hard. I think it gives a good contrast between the body color, the stock gloss black side skirts, and the carbon fiber. I think it looks really well. So now moving on to the back end, and probably one of the most aggressive areas of the car, we're gonna start off by talking about the rear diffuser. The rear diffuser is probably one of the biggest pieces of carbon fiber on the kit, as you would need to replace your stock middle portion to install it, and you can go ahead and leave your stock gloss black accents on the side because those will sit underneath it. So this is probably one of my favorite diffusers on the market for the G82 platform because it is just so aggressive. So if you're in the market for a diffuser, I highly recommend this one. So now, talking about the wing, guys, holy crap. This wing is so nice. It is the G82 swan neck wing. Unfortunately, this is not fit on the G80 platform. It only works on the G82, but I think it looks really good. One thing to note though, guys, if you guys are planning to install this wing on your G82 M4, it will require drilling into the trunk, meaning there's gonna be holes in there and you are committing to it 100%. The only way to reverse this process were to be to have a body shop remove the wing, patch the holes, and paint the trunk completely and make it seem like nothing was ever there. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these parts, head over to our website at AAConceptsCo.com where you can purchase stuff individually. You can buy the kit as a whole. But yeah, guys, that's gonna conclude it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. You don't wanna miss it because we'll actually be installing this kit on the M4. It's gonna look really good. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.